Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my workshop today. Today we're down at the workshop. I'm making eel traps. Still finishing them up. I was walking around the yard. I stumbled across an old bucket. I also found a lid inside the shop. So we're gonna add this old bucket right here to my pile of eel traps. I am looking forward to eel pot pie. And the only way I know how to get eel pot pie is to go catch an eel. I want to get these out. When this is all said and done, I'm going to have 20 of these 4-inch discs. I'm not going to throw them out. You want to know why? I bet you do. On a rainy day, that'll make a really nice fire starter. So I'll throw 1 or 2 of these down in the bottom of my pack, or inside of the snow dog or the 6-wheeler. Because if it's raining and everything is wet, well, there you go. You get your small fire going and get that disc burning. You get that disc burning, and you'll get anything to catch on fire. I'm leaving here as soon as I get these built. I gotta go to town. I wish I didn't. But I need a hog ring plier. It's a hog ring. I don't know any other way to explain that than that. But I'll be putting a rope on these things. And I think the easiest way is going to be with hog rings. I need to put a rope on, and I also need to put a name tag on, because to make these traps legal, I need to put my name, telephone number, and address. That's just in case you weren't paying attention. Now, in case you're wondering, you can buy these funnels. These are eel funnels for eel pots. You can buy those online. Well, when I bought them, they were a couple dollars a piece. You know, we're not supposed to talk about it, but with inflation and everything costing a lot more than it does now, thanks to the people that voted for the foolishness that's going on right now. I'll tell you what I get a huge kick out of. What I get a huge kick out of is that in the 2020, when Trump was running, he told us everything is what's happening right now was going to happen. And they all told him, all the media, all they could say was he was lying, scaring people, fear, and it was just a bunch of crap. Well, they also said that about Hunter's laptop. The media said he was lying. They wouldn't even cover it leading up to the last few days of the election because Trump was lying. Well, here we are 2 years later, and now that's all they're talking about, is how the laptop really does exist. Well, to all you foolish people that wouldn't listen, how do you like $5 a gallon gas, $6 a gallon gas? How do you like home heating oil going up? I hope you like it a lot, because you got exactly what you voted for. I just wish that you didn't take the rest of us with you. But it's not too late for you to change what you did. It is right now. I mean, it's going to take us a while. It's going to take us a while to get over this one. Because them fools in Washington are doing everything they possibly can do to destroy this country. And you people that voted for it, you're the one that allowed it to happen. You can get mad. And those of you that want to unsubscribe, well, you're gonna anyways, because the minute we start talking the truth, I get some subscribers that just plain get mad, stomp off. Well, because of what you guys voted on, I have to up my game as far as catching wild game. Because I'm not on the same boat ride that you guys are on. I'm taking matters into my own hand. And I'm going to find a way to get groceries without having to pay the prices that you're willing to pay. When I go out on a fishing trip, I need to make it pay. At the prices of fuel, at the prices of what fuel is going to cost, when I go out with the boat, I not only have to come back with my catch that's legal for, you know, lake trout and salmon, but there's another fish out there, it's called an American eel. So I'll be putting out these traps so that I can come back with enough fish to make it worthwhile. You know, if it costs me $20 a day in fuel, then I need to come back with $20 worth of fish. Because unlike some, Not everything in this world is free. Nothing is ever free. Who in their right mind thinks everything should be free? Huh? Oh, it would be nice if everything was free. But that's not the way it works. It doesn't work that way anywhere on this planet. And if you don't think so, well, keep going down the road you're going. Because it won't be long that there won't be any food in the grocery store, because somebody has to pay to make that food. Huh. Unless you want to go back to like the Egyptians, I guess. You know, they had slave labor everywhere. The government did. You know, oh, we're not supposed to say that, are we? Made their people work in the fields all day and all night and everything else. People have got to eat. Somebody's got to make the food. If you can't make the food, then you got to go find the food. I heard something when all this crap was going on. I might be wrong, but I don't think I am. They made it illegal to catch fish in Australia during the pandemic. They call it, because it's state-owned, government-owned fish in all the lakes and ponds. And that was told to me by someone that actually lives there. So, I mean, I can only go by what I was told. It makes sense to me if she's telling me that. Hey, there's a free one. Old junk pile, I found a bucket. So anyways, I don't know what to say. Other than if you're not doing something to plan for the next year or two, be in a pretty rough spot, you might want to think about it. So, I guess I've probably said way too much. Who knows? But there's some things that are banging around on the inside of my head today. So you guys have a good week. I've got I got three more pots to build. And I will see you next week.